Hi, I'm Jerry, co-founder of Kolo. Building a home is about creating a space that's truly yours. A reflection of your family, your lifestyle, and everything that makes the space unique. Getting one ready can be overwhelming. We are here to help you one step at a time. Getting to the right professional is the first critical step. Sorting through dozens of profiles, comparing quotes, and assessing quality. All of this requires the right amount of information, market insight, and also a lot of time. That's why we created Kolo Advisory Program, India's first advisor-led marketplace experience for you to select the ideal construction or interior professional. Our advisors will curate from the largest selection of professionals in the market and explain why each of them might suit your project. Then you can see real photos and videos of professionals, their past projects, and also information including style, material and budget. We guarantee that you will not find a more carefully curated list. The advisor will help you with Kolo's data and expertise to compare professionals. Even if you have someone in mind outside of Kolo, they'll help you assess the fitment of the professional for your project. Now, the advisor will keep sharing profiles until you find 3 professionals that you are comfortable with. The advisor will arrange site visits, get detailed quotes, and compare cost and terms to guide you to the best decision. They even negotiate so that you feel confident in every step of the way. If you are ready to bring your home to life, make sure that you try Kolo Advisory Program. Let us help you create a home that's truly yours.